Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to hard reset Roku TV. Let's go. Open settings. System. Advanced system settings. Factory reset. Enter code. If you need to clear the cache, then 5 times the home button, up, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times, or use the reset button on your Roku device. That's it. Now you know how to hard reset Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.